Listen, next question. Check whether 0.8, 3, 2.4 and 9 form a proportion or not. To check, how can you check this? First of all, you want to take the ratio between 0.8 and 3. Then take the ratio between 2.4 and 9. 2.4 and 9. So if these two ratios are equal, we can say that these four quantities form a proportion. So first of all, we can find out the ratio between this first quantity and the second quantity. So we can write that in the ratio form. Okay, 0.8 is to 3. Now what is the next step? We want to write this in the fraction form. 0.8 divided by 3. So how can you do the cancellation? You have to move this decimal place from the numerator, you can multiply it by 10. The same thing you can do in the denominator also. 3 into 10 is equal to, what is the answer? When you multiply it by 10, you can shift to one decimal place to right side. So here the answer is 8. 0.8 into 10 is 8 divided by 30. 3 into 10 is 30. Now you can do the cancellation in 2's table. Here 2 goes 4 times in 8. 2 goes 15 times in 30. Now what is remaining there? 4 upon 15. That you can write in the ratio form 4 is to 15. Okay. Now look at the next part. Now you want to find out the ratio between the third and the fourth quantity. So write that in ratio form. 2.4 is to 9. That is equal to 2.4 upon 9. Write this in the fraction form. Now in the numerator there is a decimal number. So we can multiply it by 10. To move the decimal place from the numerator, we can multiply it by 10. So if you are multiplying it by 10 in the numerator, you have to multiply that same number in the denominator also. Okay. Now we will get 2.4 into 10. What is the answer? 24. How will you get that answer? Shift to one decimal place to right side. Since there is 1 0 in 10, you can shift to one decimal place to right side. So that number becomes 24 divided by 90. Now here the last digit is 4, here the last digit is 0. So it is divisible by 2. So we can do the cancellation in 2's table. 2 goes 12 times in 24. 2 goes 45 times in 90. Then this 12 and 45 you can cancel in 3's table because 4 plus 5 is 9, 1 plus 2 is 3. So these two numbers are divisible by 3. 3 goes 4 times in 12. 3 goes 15 times in 45. Okay. Now what is remaining there? 4 upon 15. That we can write in the ratio form. 4 is to 15. Now look at these two answers. Here first 4 is to 15. Here also 4 is to 15. So we can say that 0.8, 3, 2.4 and 9 are in proportion. So you can write the last step as the given four quantities are in proportion.